Hey there, guys. Welcome to reading class. Today we are starting a story called An Old-Fashioned Saturday. It's a fiction story, which means that it's not real. And we've been working a lot on making some inferences, which are making some guesses about information that is not told to you directly in the story, but you use evidence to figure out how you can come up with the best answer. This story is 3 parts, and today I'm going to read only one of the parts to you, and then you'll have some questions to answer in the Google form. As I read, follow along, and you can play this story as many times as you want if you need to hear it heard over and over. Here we go. I hear a whistle and then a whinny. Prancer is off! I nearly fall off the edge of the sled. I grab the tank for balance. The sap sloshes around as we bump over rocks and glide around muddy corners. The sled slows, and I jump off. I trudge through ankle-deep snow.